As we speak, from zero, we have received 135 million pesos from contractor stocks ng mga project ng DPWH na yan at national government. Results matter. I always believe in that. There is point A, there is point B. I will never ask what will transpire between point A to point B. What matters most is point B. Results matter. And that kind of money that we kailangan natin ay isa naman namin sisinupin na matugunan ang pang-araw-araw nating tustusin sa ating pagpapatakbo bilang pamahalaan at the same time pag-deliver ng mga kakailanganin ng ating mamamayan.